They're loading. Look at that tree, logs, baby, are loading. Where are you gonna pull it, Daddy? Look at the water. What do you call on that thing that?
What's the question?
What do you call on that thing that transfer the logs?
I don't know. Crane?
Hmm?
A walnut. I can go.
You're gonna pull it down pala. So many words at Virgin. Virgin? How you pronounce it? Where's it? It's not running anymore. It's coming back. It's coming back. Ganyan pala sila magtanggal. Oh. Kana load. Wala na. Wait lang, Daddy, ha? Look at the wood, baby. Look at the wood.
I'm looking.
Gonna get some and transfer it. Why there's a little? It's not big.
What?
There's logs there.
Well, they're bigger than they look, I imagine.
They're bigger when we get there. It looks like small, but my husband.
Well,
thinks
maybe they're
big.
going to make OSB out of it. They use smaller ones for that.
He's picking some wood down and after up that.
Since it's winter, there's not much need for 2x6s and 2x4s and
Let's
stuff
go
like
out
that.
now.
Wait, lab, cause
I got enough.
go out na ka. Go out na.
Let's go out now.
Cover na yung tumatrak.
Let's go get out now, I say.
Go out. Tara, nag-get na. Cover mo naman. He's pulling some wood. Some logs pala. Ayan. May dala na. I'll transfer it again.
There's no
To transfer it from other. Whoop.
come on.
Transfer it from on down there. Running and running. We're going down. Ding.
Let's get out now.
Let's go.
Let's go. How many pages?
Gotta bring her, Daddy.
Huh?
Bring her.